You feed your cat, you give them shelter, you buy them toys, but there are 6 things cats actually love that most owners still completely ignore. And some of them are so simple, it might surprise you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 6 things your cat genuinely needs and loves, and how to do each one the right way. These aren't guesses. These are real feline needs that affect your cat's behavior, health, and how much they trust you. Let's get into it. Point 1. Vertical space. Cats are natural climbers, and height makes them feel safe and in control. A home with no vertical options, no cat tree, no shelves, nothing to climb is actually stressful for a cat. Give your cat at least one high spot they can call their own, and you'll notice a difference in how relaxed they are. Point 2. Slow blinking. Most owners don't realize this, but slow blinking is how cats say, "I trust you." When you make eye contact with your cat and slowly close your eyes, you're speaking their language. Try it. Look at your cat from across the room. Blink slowly and wait. Many cats will blink back, and that small moment actually strengthens your bond. Point 3. Clean litter box. Cats are extremely clean animals, and a dirty litter box is one of the top reasons cats start avoiding it and going elsewhere. Most experts recommend scooping once a day. If you have more than one cat, the rule is 1 litter box per cat plus 1 extra. This one change alone can fix a lot of behavior problems. Point 4. Routine and predictability. Cats thrive on routine. They feel most secure when feeding, playtime, and even your daily schedule stay consistent. Sudden changes, like a new work schedule, moving furniture, or introducing a new pet, can cause anxiety in cats. Keeping things predictable helps your cat feel safe in their environment. Point 5. Interactive play. Cats need to hunt, even indoor cats. Without regular play, cats can become bored, destructive, or even aggressive. The key is using a wand toy or a moving target, not a laser pointer alone, because cats need to actually catch something at the end. Just 10 to 15 minutes of active play per day can make a big difference in your cat's mood and energy levels. Point 6. Respecting their space. One of the most overlooked things cats love is being left alone when they choose to be. Forcing cuddles, picking them up when they don't want it, or following them around actually damages trust over time. When you let your cat come to you on their terms, they almost always do, and the bond you build that way is much stronger. So there you have it, 6 things cats love that most owners miss. Vertical space, slow blinking, a clean litter box, a predictable routine, real interactive play, and the freedom to choose when they engage. Start with just 1 or 2 of these, and you'll already notice your cat becoming more relaxed and more connected to you. If this was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. See you there.